Now to the latest on a COVID-19 vaccine. We are learning new details about how it will be distributed once approved across Wisconsin.
Madeline Anderson talks with some of the experts helping pave the way in the battle against the virus.
The state's biohealth leaders are weighing in on what Wisconsinites can expect next, following news Monday that Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine is 90% effective in clinical trials.
Once they hopefully get approval, then final approval from the FDA, is that then they will be shipping out that vaccine, which they have already manufactured.
Lisa Johnson, CEO of BioForward Wisconsin, says the vaccine will then go to Pfizer's distribution site in Pleasant Prairie, but it will likely be one of around a dozen vaccines experts say will ultimately become available by next year.
You want a lot of different, and you may have heard it, and I love the hockey analogy, a lot of shots on goal, is that you want multiple vaccines coming out just because this is a global pandemic, right? We aren't just trying to vaccinate a small population.
In Madison, UW Health is conducting a clinical trial of another COVID-19 vaccine in partnership with AstraZeneca.
So this is the last phase before it goes for approval.
Researchers explain that variety in vaccines will help improve access, while Pfizer's must be stored in extreme cold. Other vaccines can be kept in less specialized conditions.
Your average place out in the communities, doesn't have access to those kind of freezers.
The state will then decide who gets priority for the vaccine. In phase 1, it will be healthcare workers, people over 65, those in long-term care facilities, and other essential workers. Later on, it will be other critical populations and eventually the general public.
You have a right to have questions, whatever the vaccine is, whatever the drug you're taking.
Johnson acknowledges the process is moving fast, but assures health and safety is the top priority and the long-term goal.
This stops it. We want this pandemic over with.
Reporting in Milwaukee, Madeline Anderson, Fox 6 News.